In this video, traders, I would like to address the most important part of your trading. The most important part of your trading starts when you stop wasting time and losing money. When you stop creating psychological damage because it takes very long time to recover from a negative trade. This week, on Monday, markets were absolutely brutal. Fibonacci reversal zone was reached few minutes after market open, and after 10 minutes of market open for the next 20 hours, the entire Monday market fell asleep in complete correction. Complete corrections are untradeable market conditions when market frozen in narrow chop. This is identical case we're dealing with this morning. When price reached day trading resistance, price is frozen for the last hour. Bullish trades lasted less than a minute each. Number of bullish trades right at the open, not for the last hour. If I convert the chart on Monday or today, what would you see? Take a look. This is a market. Ultimate chop, ultimate nothing. This is when broker printing money. This is when the only brilliant thing to do, walk away from the screen. Know when not to enter, know when not to waste time. Takes 20 hours for market to crash. We knew extremely well its key Fibonacci resistance, its key reversal zone. Shorts, the only good thing that will play out, unfortunately. The entire Monday, all the way in European session, buyers remained in charge. This is very similar case this morning. Buyers fully in charge were frozen at day trading resistance. We've been stuck here for the previous 5 hours. Only when you stop creating psychological damage, only when you stop losing money, you can succeed. It takes a very long time to recover from negative trade. 5% that succeeds in trading operates with quality mentality. 5% that succeeds this morning knows only bullish trades. A brilliant thing to do. Buyers picking up this theme, however, this remains a major problem. Market stuck without powerful pullback. This is extremely aggressive longs. Ideal place to be, institutional Fibonacci support, bottom. The fact that market not collapsing, the fact that price is frozen completely is no surprise. Knowledgeable trader knows clearly buyers fully in charge. Selling, not a brilliant thing to do. Success rate on shorts less than 20%. The only brilliant thing to do, walk away from the screen. These brokers haven't. This ultimate chop plays out in regular market conditions 40% of the time. In holiday market conditions, 80+% of the time. Only when you master untradeable markets, only when you stop wasting time and losing money, you will succeed. That starts from having absolutely nothing on your chart. You master this, you can trade anything. This show you everything you need to know about price. And it doesn't matter if it's Apple, it doesn't matter if it's Tesla, it doesn't matter if it's minute chart. Master this. And when you master this, when you stop wasting time and losing money, you are on your path to success. This is what method all about. How to buy ultimate low, how to sell ultimate high, how to avoid brutal market conditions. And if you do so, you're spending less, a lot less than 10 hours per week in front of the screen. You know, more time you spend in front of the screen watching untradeable market conditions, less chance of your success. Less screen time, more quality of trades, more money. So if market will finally collapse, it would be a gift. This is a problem. No price action, and if you do, the sky's the limit. This is where your success starts from, when you stop wasting time and losing money, staring, or worse yet, trading untradeable markets. 80% of the time, if you know the method, you are done within maximum 2 hours after market open. At least 20% you are done first 30 minutes of market open. You are trading only Monday through Thursday. There is no need to trade on Friday unless there is major news. You want to be in front of the screen right after major news. Not before, after. And if you understand that, and you obey the rules, with the power of the scanner, you are in excellent place. Right now, I have 100 plus charts in front of me between the scanners. This morning, scanner gave us 4 powerful bullish trades alerts. Buying from ultimate bottom. If I convert this chart, you will see instantly trade skyrocketed to target in a matter of seconds. But this has been the market for the last hour. This is broker's heaven. This is a time you are not in front of the screen. If you understand price action, it's very easy to stop wasting time and losing money, because you can see clearly when there is spectacular place to trade and when it's complete waste of time to babysit this. And it doesn't matter what you trade, identical chop remains on gold, on oil, on Apple, on euro, on Tesla, on bonds, on stocks, on anything you trade. This is the most important moment in your trading. This is when your trading becomes peaceful and joyful. When you stop wasting time and losing money. Morning like this and day like Monday. And that's the key to your success. That's an excellent start. So this is ultimate top on Tesla. This is where you short from. This chart been present in the room for the last 3 years. This is a place you do not buy Tesla because you know this is a brick wall. the end of the minor trend. You are not buying near. You also know on Tesla that this is key support. This support is out. Tesla heading lower next. And this is bearish area levels of exhaustion. This is where you monitor for long. Chances of shorts and success less than 20%. Short on top, not at the bottom. Euro, identical dance. Buyer's weakness, euro collapsing from this level. This is Euro daily chart present in the room for months. Drastically different hold time as you see on minute charts on S&P, as you see on Tesla weekly. Weekly holding position for weeks, months and years. Daily holding position for days and weeks. This support is out, euro in free fall. 108 is key, 105 is lifeline on euro. Apple. Chart present in the room for years. All of these reversal zones identified months and years in advance. This is key support on sell-off on Apple. This is where sell-off coming from. 2018, 2019, multiple times. Apple in correction, just like S&P, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute this morning. Apple frozen. Sellers are weak and buyers are tired. This is the range on Apple. Oil. Crash on oil identified months and years in advance. Browse YouTube channel. This was expected for oil to sell off from. This is oil asleep. Buyers are weak. Buyers stepping in from Fibonacci reversal zone, ultimate trend inception, but this is a major problem. Buyers cannot break through. Oil in correction just like 5-minute S&P. You master one, you master them all. And that's the dance in the market now. And that's the dance you absolutely must master if you want to be successful. This is when you stop wasting time and you stop losing money. When you stop staring at the screen during corrective choppy markets. Walk away from the screen, pretty please, is the only brilliant thing to do. Nothing else is possible. Let the broker print money. Take advantage of the market at the bottom. Take advantage of the market on top. That's the power of the method. Sell S&P as you can sell Tesla when rules are met. Buy S&P as you can buy Tesla when rules are met at the bottom, not into resistance. And that's a key. So if you would like to join us, please review the information on the website. All classes with software and without are live classes recorded. We are 90 videos plus of live classes which you can view at your convenience 24/7. With the help of software, with the help of scanners, it's stress-free trading. Most important part of the website, what students accomplish and what students say after the course. So please review the information of the website, view the videos on YouTube channel. Do not hesitate to contact me. I always look forward to hearing from you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Live classes resume on Monday. Videos and modules available 24/7. Students all over the world for beginner to hedge fund manager. Method had been traded in US and globally since 2011. Please identify the class that's appropriate for you. If you're considering private mentoring, please contact me first so I can make sure your schedule works with mine, my schedule works with yours, along with your personal goals. Thank you, traders.